Welcome. Question 19. The dot product of P and Q is 1, where P is with the coordinate 3 on 5i plus xj, and Q is negative 5 on 3i plus 4 on 7j. We have to find the value of what? X. The dot product, if we are to have the P dot Q, is to multiply the Cartesian coordinate or Cartesian base form of the vectors, which in this case will be 3 on 5i plus xj dot, or we have negative 5 on 3i plus 4 on 7j. Now, in each multiplication, is a binomial. So we can say this multiply this plus this times this times this in that order. But if I times I, it becomes 1. J times j is 1. Then the I times the j will give you 0. So the middle term will be 0. So we go straightly to the I times I and the j times j, which will give us 1. So in this case, we know the dot product. We are given that the dot product is already given as what? 1. So these results will give you 1. So now if you multiply here, the I times I is 1, therefore only the coefficient we multiply. And that will be 3 on 5 times negative 5 on 3, then plus the x will multiply. So 4 on 7 will multiply the x. The j times j will be 1. So what do? We can see this will multiply by cancellation and this will cancel. So the left is 1, the right will give you negative 1 at the first place, then plus what? 4, 7x. These are the equations that have a fraction. So first of all, let's group like them first. This will come here as 2 equals to 4x on 7. Then we can cross multiply to have 14 equals to 4x. 14 divided by 4. 4x divided by 4. And by cancellation, your x will be equals to 7 on what? 2. And comparing the options we have, 7 on 2 will be option what? B. Alright, I believe this is also clear. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and share. Come back for question 20.